So I'm going to recap my pre-market trade this morning. This was today, Thursday the 5th. Come to the charts and see Asia push down nicely and a decent move as well. So it was over 50% of the New York range. My range I take note of in the morning is from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I see that had also pushed down nicely. Lots of areas of impulse down which were respected. So when I first come to the chart, I was thinking of a continuation trade, but I didn't get a clean enough entry. So I was just watching, waiting for price action to give me what I wanted to see for an entry. That didn't appear. Um, I did like this, but that was too early. I wasn't here. So I just take note of it and monitor. If there was more of a consolidation up here, that would have been an entry, but I didn't get that. So when I don't get a clean entry, my bias starts to shift to look for reversals instead. So it's just a bit of a patient one. Um, so I've seen this push down, taking all Asia lows. We look over to the S&P 500. We can see it kind of pushed down and tested the value area high of New York yesterday. And then we started to get this kind of base and structure here, a push up towards the moving averages, a push back down with a failure to make a new low and respecting this area around here. So when I seen this price action, I'm thinking a long entry will be coming. So we zoom in and we just look what happened. We kind of hit this again, didn't make a new low for these ones, pushed up above the moving averages, chopped around, and then I entered on this candle here. So I'm going to move this there to my entry. So this candle here was my entry. So went down into drawdown, had a in real time, this was quite an impulsive move down. So I thought I was going to get stopped there, and then we just took off. So with an impulse up like that, I would usually remove my target and manage dynamically, but I didn't even have time. As I went to move my target, it hit. So super quick 3-hour trade. So very nice to start the day. Yeah, so now I just take note of what happens at London and see if there's any more opportunities. It's been a difficult week, I think, this week, for my system anyway. The volatility had doubled on NQ at this time of the morning. So it meant I was getting my break evens, but then they were just getting hit and took out. So until this morning, I was on a break even week. I think I'd had like a win, a loss, and a load of break evens for the week so far. So yeah, break even up to now, and then this will put me in 3-hour profit for the week, which is I'm more than happy with because I had a good week last week. So yeah, I won't be in a rush to trade London, but if anything's obvious, I'll have a stab.